This was the best wrong bus. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. And it's been so long since I shot a video. I'm so excited for this and I'm breaking out so much. Can you see? Maybe I'm getting my periods in 5 days, that's why I'm breaking out, but I don't like this. And because I don't understand the reason, like what else it could be. I'm eating clean and I'm exercising 5 days a week. I don't eat junk, I drink plenty of water. You guys can see on the video that I drink so much water. So I just think that that might be the reason, my periods might be the reason that I'm getting these pimples. And I have to tell you guys that I am back and I'm doing so many things that I was not active on Instagram for like 1.5 years. I just made like 2 posts because it was paid promotion. So I did not post anything for Instagram for like 1.5 years or maybe 2 years. Yeah, since I went for my graduation, like since I went for my masters, I did not do anything. So I was not active on Instagram for so long. But here's the good news that I am consistent on Instagram now. I've been like posting on Instagram for last 6 days and it's going good. And I'm also posting on LinkedIn, YouTube and Instagram. So that's amazing. I'm doing so many things and I'm feeling so great that I'm so productive, because like whenever I don't do anything I feel so guilty, and if I don't do anything in the whole day I feel so bad at the end of the day. But now it's going so amazing. I'm doing so many things and my life has just become so hectic and so busy and I'm not getting time for anything. So today my plan was, today is Saturday, yeah, so for today my plan was to like sit down at home and shoot so many videos for like the next week. But it has changed. My friends wanted me to take me to the historical Berlin tram, like it might be the last month of that tram before it get discontinued. So we are going there today. It's in Randro. I saw its videos on YouTube and it's really a scenic ride and it's really an old tram. It's running from like last 45 years. So that's gonna be amazing. So I'm going on that historical train ride. So I'm quickly gonna shower, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then after getting ready we will be going out. So it's gonna be an amazing day. So let's go. I always forget to wear perfume. Also, I do have allergy from perfume, so I don't use like any perfume. I always go for like natural or organic ones. I did not do any skincare last week. Is that why I'm getting breakouts? I don't know why. I just wish it goes away quickly. No, it's definitely the periods. That's why I'm getting it here and here one more. Damn hormones, man. It's like got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you deeper than I. Yeah, we are finally here. So here we go guys, it feels so amazing. I don't understand why there are so many people taking photographs of it. Is it the last day today?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go,
Hi guys, the tram experience was amazing and today was the last day of that historical tram. It was running from last 45 years and we didn't even know that. So it was really amazing that we came today, because what happened in the morning, we were checking the routes for it and the train was not showing for some reason to my friend, and then I checked it on the Google Maps and it showed me. So we decided to come here. First there was so much rush in the tram, so I thought maybe we should wait for the next one, but anyhow we went inside and I'm really glad we went inside because we got to stand near the driver and we got like best view. And on the all way I was thinking why there are so many photographers on the way. Like if I will count, there were like more than 1,000 photographers, but later we realized that today is the last day of that tram, so that's why everyone was there to like click pictures of it. So it was really amazing experience. And now we are going to explore this little village and then we will be going back home. Hi guys, a really funny thing happened. So we were on our way to home and we sat in a bus and we thought that it's for Potsdamer Platz, which is in Berlin, but it was for Potsdam. And now look where we are. We are in Potsdam. Actually we realized that we are going in different route, but we thought that if it's going to Potsdam, why not just like go with it. So now we are here, and so what we are gonna do is we are gonna explore a little while and then I'm gonna grab something to eat and then we will be going home. So let's go. Guys, I definitely think that this was the best wrong bus I've ever taken, because look where I am and I'm really glad that I went with the flow. Oh wow, look how amazing it looks. And this is not my first time visiting to Potsdam. Like Potsdam is a kind of village near Berlin. I have been here, but I don't know, for some reason I feel like I'm coming here for the first time. Maybe I forgot everything. Hallo, einmal Pizza Spinach. Danke.
Hi guys, I'm finally home and I do feel exhausted, but I realized one thing, that life doesn't go as planned, because I planned this day in a certain way and then I took a wrong bus and then I ended up somewhere else. So this is life and life doesn't go as you plan. I feel so tired now, but I wanted to make a kunafa chocolate, so I bought all the ingredients. So now we will make kunafa chocolate and then we will do some work and then we will wrap up this day. So let's make kunafa chocolate. I was craving for kunafa chocolate and I thought I will get it from a store, but it was quite expensive. It was for 10 euro. So I thought why not make it from scratch. And then I went to buy all the ingredients and it costed me 15 euro. So that was a smart choice. So I also got this mold. This is specifically for Dubai chocolate. Can you see it here? Like chocolate means chocolate in German. So I got this, and then I also bought this. It is a pistachio cream, like pistachio spread, but it is high protein, so that's why it is expensive, and I got 2 of them. And then we have this, the main ingredient, and also these chocolates. So let's start with this.